It was an emotional day in Meadow Lake Provincial Court. The teen who killed 4 people in the Loche last year took to the witness stand. The teen named his victims one by one, the 4 people he killed and the 7 people he injured. He apologized. He said he hadn't targeted them. He said he wished he hadn't done it. People in court wept. At one point, the teen himself became emotional and grabbed Kleenex to wipe the tears from his eyes.
I was drawn back to that horrific day and going through, and it resurfaced a lot of those emotions and a lot of those feelings that I had that day because, like I said, I had a family member that was directly impacted and I had to travel that day to seek her medical treatment. So
everybody will have to judge it based on who saw it, but in my view, it's a sincere effort by him to speak publicly about something in which he is very sorry, struggling still to deal with himself, and to do that publicly for a lot of people isn't very hard. For him, extremely difficult.
Well, it is certainly information that the judge is entitled to take into account, but again, it's a question of how much weight or value is put on it, and that's up to the judge to decide.
I don't think there'll be closure for a lot of people, but at least we'll have an understanding, and hopefully the judge will be able to include in her remarks the decision that she come up with and why.
A final date for sentencing hasn't yet been set, but the lawyers will be back in Meadow Lake on August 25th to deliver their closing arguments.